world. What's happening? So for snow, we have the car defrosting here, but the problem is my charge port doesn't open. It's frozen. So yesterday a lot of rain, and then of course the rain goes in the cracks here, and all this crap is frozen now. And the flap here is frozen to the car. And of course you can't smack it hard or anything because this is all plastic, right? This is gonna break if you smack this hard. Okay, this here, inside. Here, I don't know. Windows. Oh, there's the leaves still coming off the tree. It's defrosting here, but windshield is working, right? The cameras up here is working, but this here, I don't know. Let's see if this opens. Oh yeah, that worked, right? So, and then here, you can't get to the charge port from here. This is like, has to somehow thaw out. If it doesn't thaw out, you can never charge again. It's nothing with driving anymore after that. So that's why you're supposed to leave it plugged in all the time overnight, so that it cannot freeze closed.